WUIGUANO uria wekirirwo kirore ni Minister munene wa Amerika Marco Rubio na Minister munene wa Kenya Musalia Mudavadi kiumia kihituku mucini wa Washington DC wari gune ruhonge rwa urigitani kuhitukira thirikari na makiria ma ciringi bilioni 200 kwa ihinda ria miaka 5. No riu rucio rwa WUIGUANO uyu wahota kugumirwo ni mihinga. Igoti inene riu rigiathana WUIGUANO uyu urugamio nginyanagia na riria cira uyu urithikiririo. Itweni riake mucirithania Lawrence MUGAMBI augite thirikari ndibatie kurutithia wira gicunje o giothe kia WUIGUANO uyu hamwe na ucenjania wa riboti cia ugima wa mwiri cia Akenya. Omtata ariandikithia-ini riake athingatire igoti rirugamie WUIGUANO uyu kumana na ngaji cia gukorwo WUIGUANO uyu wahota kuiga riboti cia ugima wa mwiri hatikaine na kuingirirwo ni thirikari ya bururi wa Amerika kana kuhuthira Akenya uthuthuria-ini ta kindu kia igeria.
What guarantee do we have that we are not opening up Kenya to be a laboratory of guinea pigs for experiments on various things? It happened just the other day in the US. Some of those people have just died recently. It's not that something that happened long time in history. So with that kind of experience whereby black people have been used as guinea pigs for research and then documented, we cannot just sit back and say that we are going to share our information with the Americans without the guarantees that the laws of Kenya provide.
Ukiri uguo, muthenya wira President William Ruto yarageririe kweheria ngaja o ciothe cikonainie na ndeto ino, akiuga WUIGUANO uyu ni wathingatire watho wa bururi wa Kenya na munene wa watho hamwe na atongoria angi ni mathurimire WUIGUANO uyu na njira ndikiru mbere yaguo gukinyanirio.
Office of the Attorney General, and she's here, went through the agreement with a tooth comb to make sure that when it comes to matters data, the law that prevails on data that belongs to the people of Kenya is the Kenyan law. We will not allow ourselves to be taken advantage of by anybody.
Bururi wa Kenya niguo bururi wa mbere gwikiranira WUIGUANO toyo na thirikari ya Amerika. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.